How to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80004003 in Windows. 1. Run the Windows Store apps troubleshooter. 2. Check time and date and regional settings. Then change M if needed. 3. Set required services to start automatically. Run these commands as admin: scconfig browser start equals auto scconfig bit start equals auto scconfig cryptsvc start equals auto scconfig trusted installer start equals auto 4. Repair and reset the Microsoft Store app. Restart your desktop or laptop. 5. Clear the data store folder. Disable the Windows Update service. Clear items in the c:\windows/soft_twa redistribution/data store. 6. Reinstall the Microsoft Store app. Run these commands in PowerShell as admin: get package Windows Store, remove package, and nbs get package Windows Store losers for each apps package. Disable development mode. Register $__install location \appxmanifest.xml.